Tired of telling everyone to check your website, only for them to forget? I'm here to help. First things first, let's open up the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in, of course. Once you're in, look for the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. It usually looks like a little person. Tap on it. This takes you to your profile. Now, find the Edit Profile button. It's usually right below your profile picture and username. Tap on that. Okay, now you're in the Edit Profile section. Scroll down a bit until you see a field that says Website. This is where the magic happens. Tap on the Website field. A keyboard should pop up. Now, carefully type or paste the URL you want to share. Make sure it starts with HTTPS or HTTP so it's clickable. Double check that the link is correct. A typo here means nobody will reach your intended destination. Once you're happy with it, tap the Save button, usually at the top right corner. And there you have it. A clickable link is now displayed in your TikTok bio. People can tap it directly to visit your website, shop, or wherever you want to send them. Go ahead, tap it yourself to make sure it works. It's a good idea to test it out before you announce it to your followers. Now you can promote your website, online store, or anything else right from your TikTok profile. Go forth and get those clicks.